For the calculations, let's go back to Diana. Tabulated formulas were provided. Total volume times open parenthesis 1 plus molar ratio times stock concentration of ethyl acetate divided by stock concentration of sodium hydroxide close parenthesis raised to -1 is equal to the volume of ethyl acetate. While volume of sodium hydroxide can be obtained by subtracting the obtained volume of ethyl acetate to the total volume, which is 1000 milliliters. Moreover, for obtaining the initial concentrations of ethyl acetate and sodium hydroxide, the formula is stock concentration of the species times volume of the species divided by total volume. Next is the temperature compensation for conductivity meter, which is Y sub 28 is equal to conductivity reading from raw data times open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0145 times the set temperature minus 28 close parenthesis. Next is the formula for concentration of ethyl acetate, which is equal to initial concentration minus open parenthesis initial concentration of sodium hydroxide minus concentration of sodium hydroxide close parenthesis. Then for obtaining the concentration of sodium hydroxide, the formula is 0.00026 multiply by the obtain Y sub 28 minus 0.000063. And lastly, for obtaining the conversion, formula is X sub A is equal to 1 minus concentration of ethyl acetate divided by initial concentration of ethyl acetate. The following data were the obtained calculations for different molar ratios. To state the conclusion, let's hear it from Andrea. Based on the experiment performed and the graphs shown, we can therefore conclude that with higher temperature and molarity, higher values of conductivity and rate constant can also be attained. The order of reaction, which is assumed to be n equals 2, and the reaction constant K, can be obtained both graphical and analytical. While values of rate constant and activation energy of varying molarity and temperature can be observed at the abstract part, errors might be possible for the reason that the data presented is too large. Thus, may affect the results.